clean interior is just as important as a nice exterior, and that means no check engine lights. So today we're going to take a look at the AUTOOL SDT-206 smoke leak detector, which can make it a lot easier to find the small leaks that cause those codes and lights. The tester is easy to use. Open the oil fill, and you're just going to fill that with baby oil. Screw the lid back on there and turn it on. The green button is for the air, and this controls how much air it's putting out, the PSI coming out of this line. So that would be high, and this would be a low amount. And this gauge is how much pressure is building up in the system. And it goes all the way up to 15 psi. Again, you can turn it down, that little guy right there, or turn it up. And that's the air pressure in this line. This is the smoke, so when we turn this on, we'll wait a few minutes and it'll heat up the oil and start to smoke. And there you can see the smoke. It really starts coming out pretty thick. Now to test this gas tank, we're going to put this guy on here. And we're going to put this in the end. And if we turn this up a little bit, it really starts coming out of there. We'll be using this attachment, and we'll plug it into the fuel filler. And with that sealed, it's going to pump the smoke throughout the system. We'll go around the vehicle and look for a leak. Just minutes after turning on the smoke tester, we found the leak. Right there at the top of the gas tank. The tank should be replaced, but for a temporary repair, I sandblasted this little metal housing, and there's a tube that goes to that housing, and you can see in the mirror I sandblasted the top of it and JB welded it. So now we'll hook the smoker back up and see if it leaks. With the smoke leak detector hooked up, we'll wait a few minutes and see if our repair holds up. The tool comes neatly packaged with everything you need for most repairs. And this little guy, in case you have an intake or exhaust, it is variable size, so then the smoke comes in this end and comes out that end. Without the AUTOOL smoke leak detector, we wouldn't have been able to find the EVAP leak and clear this code for good. Now that looks much better. I hope you enjoyed this video on the AUTOOL smoke leak detector, and if you did, and you'd like to get my latest videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.